called you up. I should have called you up and said that I was wrong and that I won't make it without you by my side. I never called you up, but I don't love myself. Or is it true that I don't love myself enough to bother whether I'm right or wrong? I bite my tongue. I guess I don't know myself. Somewhere along the river's end, I turn our love into mine to figure out where to go from here. Is it easy when it comes to flow? And somewhere along the city streets, you tell me there's no other way. And I don't really know where to go from here. And now we're running out of things to say. It could happen any other way. Is there another way? When you need someone to love you, someone to take command. When you're through with second guessing, you need to hold a hand. When you need someone to love you, someone to take command. When you're through with second guessing, you need to hold a hand. Somewhere along the river's end, I turn our love into mine to figure out where to go from here. Is it easy when it comes to flow? And somewhere along the city streets, you're telling me there's no other way. And I don't really know where to go from here. And now we're running out of things to say. It could happen any other way. It could happen any other way. It could happen any other way. Or is there another way?